California dream for all. More like California dream for all gone, right? What happened? There was this amazing program assisting first-time homebuyers with 20% down, and the money is all gone. My name is Mickey. I'm a realtor here in Southern California, and I want to show you a way that you can have the American dream. What does that mean? It means you can own a home and build wealth through real estate. I talk to people all the time that say, I'm saving 20% to buy a house. Okay, but your return on investment owning a home now is going to grow faster than saving 20%. My recommendation is to leverage your money to get into a home and begin building your future now. Here are 3 ways you can do it. 1, 401k. Likely you have a 401k with your company and you can borrow against it as your down payment. Number 2, a family member. I see this all the time. A family member will pull out equity from their own home to help you with your down payment. Usually 5 years later, you refinance and pay that family member back. And lastly, if you've saved 3.5%, you can buy. Yes, there are qualifications, but likely there's a program that is right for you. If any of these programs are something that interests you, I would love to walk you through this process so you can buy a home. If you're interested, call or text me at 714-931-3158. And if you like this video, click the like button and share it with your friends and family. Thank you. See you on the next one.